HiCAD solution for industrial facades, 3D solution with detailed manufacturer data. The HiCAD solution for industrial facades offers state-of-the-art BIM planning in 3D with practical installing functions and automatic installation plans. With intelligent drawing functions, installation areas are defined directly in 3D, and parts are automatically placed on them with HiCAD. Extensive manufacturer catalogs and installation options support the user in planning the facade. From trapezoidal and corrugated sheets, cassettes and panels, to special profiles and self-defined elements, the most diverse facades can be realized. Various display modes allow a quick generation of practice-oriented drawings. Even subsequent changes, such as the addition of windows, can be made quickly and easily at any time. Individual variants of inserts such as windows, doors, and gates, which automatically adapt to the given geometry. Connections are automatically assigned via the profile library or individually constructed in sectional views. And with the integrated industry solutions for profile and facade construction, individual special solutions can also be easily and reliably detailed in 3D.